Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything that I made from the Sam's Bead box, my favorite things, the first anniversary box for March 2022. As I had said in the bead unboxing, I really loved this box. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I was able to get 2 necklace earring sets, 2 other earrings, and a really chunky bracelet out of it. So here's and I will put busts up at the end of the video to show you. So here is the first one. And I did use a few of my findings on here, you know, just to add to it. But this is my first one. If you can see it very well. And these are the earrings. Let me get these situated here. And then these are the earrings that I made for it. I was really happy the way they turned out. I thought they turned out really pretty. So this is the necklace up close. It's kind of, I love these little faces. They're so cute. And then for this, I just took the beading wire and then I did this here. Just a couple little jump rings. And just put my little 11 Miyuki seed beads on there. So this was the first one that I made. And here is, let me see if this is the right way. And here is the second one that I made. And these earrings to go along with it. So I think this turned out really pretty too. I just used some, I'll show you the wire I used underneath all of them. It was a bronze color. And I really loved this. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's shiny. And it was the perfect size. So, yeah, so here's the earrings up close. And then here is the necklace up close. Just gonna take it slow so you can kind of see the beads in it. I just kind of did this for the front. I thought this turned out really pretty. So this was number 2. These earrings, I absolutely love these earrings. Let me get them. So I have these. And these. I have this set. Then I made this set. Let me get this kind of, excuse me one second. Okay. Make sure it's the right way. So I use these little charms here. I absolutely loved them. So here's the first pair. These are so pretty. And I did use my, I don't have them out, my little metallic pink 11 Miyuki seed beads. I loved, because of course I always have to put an extra color with everything. And then this, I used one of these old things from one of the older bead boxes. I'm not sure which one. And then I had one of these findings. And then I just used a few of my 11 blue metallic seed beads. And they're actually very lightweight. So I like using the bead-along wire instead of using a thicker wire. You know, I think it's very lightweight just as well, and it moves a little more, you know, so when they're dangling, they can, you know, you can move these and that. And last but not least, I made this chunky memory wire bracelet. Now, these are my own, and these are my own because I had to add, and some of these spacers right there. And these are actually like a rose gold hematite spacer, which I absolutely love. And a few of my copper spacers because I like to mix everything up. So, yeah, so I did one of these chunky pieces here. I had a little tassel that I thought looked good with these little pink ones I had. And then this is my other charm that I made. So let me put it on. I can show you it. So yeah, so I'm very happy with the way this turned out. This is definitely a industrial piece of jewelry here. It's definitely a chunky piece. Very boho looking. I think that's kind of what my jewelry falls under, though. It's more the bohemian type. It's not everybody likes that kind of jewelry. It does stand out a little more. It's not minimalist in any way. So these are all my pieces that I made out of this. I was very happy with Sam's bead box. As always, he knocked it out of the park this month again. So I look forward every month to getting his bead box. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you know any friends that you think are into jewelry making, I would love it if you would share my videos with them. And let me know in the comments how you like these and if you would like to see any other types of videos. I do have some collaborations coming up with a couple different bead companies. I'm waiting to hear from one. I will let you know as I know more. So also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, along with my Etsy store and Pinterest if you're interested. So as always, thank you again, everybody, for supporting my channel. And I've been getting all these emails about how I've been inspiring, or messages about how I've been inspiring everybody. And believe me, you all inspire me as well. And that's why we're here, to have fun. Don't take jewelry too seriously, because if you do, it's hard to create it. You know, worst comes to worst, and you make a piece and you don't like it, you can just undo it and do it again. So thanks again, everybody, and I will see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.